Hello everyone, Debjyoti here from MasterStudy.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create membership plan in MasterStudy LMS. After that I will teach you how to implement this membership plan in your courses. I mean, when some student want to purchase this course, when they click in the get course option, this membership plan should be get displayed. So that is my demo website what I am creating by using MasterStudy LMS. And here in this website till I doesn't activate the membership option. If you come to the course, so as you can see here there is no membership plan activated yet. So let me come back to the back end of this website. So let me log in the dashboard first of all. So as you can see here, MasterStudy theme is already activated. Even the MasterStudy Pro plugin is also activated because the subscription or the membership plan is available on the Pro version of the MasterStudy. So for that, first of all I have to hover on the MasterStudy, and after that here you can see the Pro add-on. I have to click on that. So in that add-on you can see this subscription add-on. You have to enable that. So after successfully enable the add-on, you have to create the course category. So for that you have to click in the courses, and when you click on the courses, in the downside of the course you can see the course category. You have to click on that. As you can see here, I already create lot of category already. It's very simple. For adding a new category you have to just click in this add new category option, and after that here you have to enter the category name. After that, if you want to create this category as a subcategory of other category, then from here you have to choose the parent category, and if you want to create this as a main category, then no need to do anything. And after that, if you want to add any icon for this category, you can do that. Click on that, and from here you can choose any icon according to your requirement. Okay, and after that you have to choose the category color. Next you have to click in the create option. So in this way you can create a course category. After creating course category, also you have to create courses in different category. So once you successfully create all the course category and the courses, after that what you have to do, here you can see the membership plan is there. You have to click on that. So as you can see here, there is no membership plan available yet. So for that I have to create the new plans for the membership. For adding new plan, you have to click in this option, add new plan. Suppose I am giving the first plan name as bronze plan, and in the bronze plan, in the short description I am writing get access of business and data analytics category course. Okay, and here you can see the membership access type. It will be side wide or category wise. So I want category base. Okay, and from here I am choosing this business category and data analytics category. So the person who purchased this subscription plan, they will get access of all the courses belongs to business and data analytics category. Okay. Next, the pricing. Suppose 10,000. Billing interval means the validity of the membership plan. Suppose the person buy this bronze membership, he will get all the access of this business and data analytics category courses for 1 year. So here I am mentioning 1. And here I am mentioning year. Okay, billing cycle type. If you want to make it limited, then you can make it limited, and after that you can mention the number of the cycles, suppose 2. Okay, and if you want to make it till cancelled, then you can choose. After that, offer sell price. If you want to sell this membership in discounted rate, or if you want to run any offer on that membership plan, then you can enable that. Suppose I am writing the discounted rate as 9,000. After that, sale period. If you want to run this discounted plan or this sale plan for a specific time of period, then you can enable this option. And from here you can choose the starting date, sale starting time, and here you can choose the ending date and sale ending time. If you don't want, then you can just turn it off. Okay, it's totally up to you. After that, plan feature. The person who are buying this, what offer they will get or what the feature of this membership plan you have to mention here. You have to write one feature, and after that you have to click in the add option. Similarly, let me add some more feature. So now trial period. If you planning to give any trial period for this membership plan, you can enable that, and after that for how many days the trial period should be on, you can mention that. After that, mark as feature. If you want to make this membership plan as a feature plan, then you can enable that. And after that, here you have to mention the batch level, like I am writing basic. Next, not provide certificate. If you want the student who are purchasing this bronze membership plan, they are not going to get any certificate after completing the course, then you can enable this option. But I don't think it's a good option. Okay, and when you creating this membership, as you can see, the plan summary are displaying here properly. It's really looking awesome. Okay, and when you done everything, you have to click in the create option. So as you can see here, if I come back to the membership plan, this bronze membership plan successfully created. So now in the same way, let me create silver and gold membership plan. So again I have to click in the add new plan for adding the new plan. The plan name I am giving silver, and in the short description I am mentioning get access of business, data analytic and development courses. Okay, so now from here I am choosing category based because I want to give the access only for the business, data analytic and the development courses. Okay, so from here I am choosing business, data analytic and development. So after the pricing, suppose the pricing is 12,000 and billing cycle will be 1 year, billing cycle type until cancelled, and offer rate is 11,500. Sale period I am not enabling here. After the course feature, so let me add all the course feature one after one. So after that, from here I am enabling this mark as featured, and here I am writing best. After that, let me click in the create option. So now let me add the gold membership plan also. So again I have to click in the add new plan option, and here the title will be gold, and here in the gold membership I want to give the access of all courses. Okay, so I am mentioning the get access of all courses of all category, and here I am making it side white because he will get the access of the entire side, means all the course access he will get. So after the pricing, suppose 15,000, and here let's make it 1 year. After that, offer sale price suppose 14,000, and in the plan feature let me add all the feature one after one. Once done, and here I am writing pro. So now let me click in the create certificate option. So now let's open the website in a new tab, and after that come back to the course page. Now let me open a random course. So now if I click in this, here you can see one time purchase option and available with the membership option is coming. And if I click in this available with membership, as you can see here, you can get the access of this course through the silver membership and gold membership. But now suppose you want to make this course accessible only through the membership plan. So for that, what you have to do means you want to remove this one time purchase plan. So let's open the course in the course editor. So now let's come to the pricing option. So now from here you have to disable this one time purchase, and after that you have to click in the save option. Now if you open this course, let me click in this view option. Now if I click in this, you can see available with membership option is only coming, means for taking this course or for enrolling this course you have to purchase the membership plans. So any person or any student, if they want to take the course, they have to click here, and after that they have to choose the membership plan, and after that they have to click in the buy course option, and after that they have to go to the cart and they have to buy the membership by using Stripe or PayPal. So now let me create the membership plan page. So for that, again I have to come back to the dashboard, and from here I have to create a new page. Let me click in the pages. From here let me click in the add page option. The page title I am giving as membership plan. Let's make the M capital. Okay, so after that in the template I am choosing Elementor full width, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So now let me click in the edit with Elementor option. So now from here I have to click in this plus option. I am taking single row single column from the flex box, and for the container width I am taking full width. After that I have to click in this plus option. Now here I have to search for the membership. So here you can see the membership plan. Just drag and drop it here. Okay, as you can see everything is displaying properly. Let me click in the publish option. Now let me click in this and click in the exit to dashboard because I want to add this page in the main menu. So now from here I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. So now let me click in this page, and from here let me click in the add to menu and save the menu. Now let me visit the site. So as you can see here, my membership plan page is coming properly and all the plans are displaying properly. So I'm ending this video tutorial here. Hope you understand how to create membership, how to configure membership plan, how to restrict course access to the membership only, how to create membership plan page, and how to implement that in your website. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then do like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about this kind of interesting video. Thank you. Have a nice day.